back, guys. Hey, I'm Josh, and I'm here to talk to you about a drink that will help you eliminate belly fat. This is going to be a ginger tea that we're actually going to add some turmeric. Now, the reason why ginger helps with weight loss is because it is a potent diuretic and it has some thermogenic properties. It also helps boost your metabolism, and it's stimulating the body to use up more energy. So now remember, in order for this to work, the ginger tea should be part of your healthy, balanced diet. This will not work if you continue to eat junk food, if that is in case what you have been doing lately. Additionally, ginger tea is also excellent for relieving some GI symptoms such as nausea and vomiting. Now, for weight loss, the ginger tea can be taken on its own, or you can use lemon, cinnamon, turmeric, or nutmeg. And like I said earlier, we are going to be adding turmeric with this. Now, if you want to lose weight on this tea, you're going to have to drink it 3 times a day. You want to avoid drinking alcohol, eating sugary foods such as candy, cakes, and donuts. You get the point. It's also important to avoid all the processed foods such as soda, juice, as well as foods full of unhealthy fats, pizza, ready-made foods, processed meats, deep-fried foods, fast food. I know what you're thinking, okay? You're thinking, oh, Josh, man, I have to stop eating all the awesome, yummy foods, That's not what I'm saying, okay? Well, yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. You're going to have to stop doing that if you want this to work. On the other hand, it is important for you to increase the intake of vegetables, fruits, lean meats, eggs, dairy. Additionally, include healthy fats in your diet, like those found in nuts, seeds, peanuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, chestnuts, flaxseed, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and other foods such as olive oil and avocados. In addition to your diet, it is important to get up and move. Yes, regular exercise will go a long way while you are actually drinking this tea. All you have to do is just start walking, ride a bicycle, do some running, some swimming. You only have to do it 20 minutes a day. I would like to see you get up to about 30 minutes, all the way up to 60 minutes if you can. I personally don't. I usually only do about 30 minutes of cardio, but then I also add in 60 minutes of weights. So for the ginger tea, it's real simple. You're going to take about 1 inch of the fresh ginger. I like to actually slice it up into smaller pieces. That way, while it's boiling, it kind of brings out the extra ginger flavor in there. So you're going to add that to the 500 milliliters of water, and you're going to bring it to a boil. Now, you can either leave it like that, just for ginger tea. You can add some lemon if you want, but my favorite is to add turmeric. So once it's boiled, you're going to turn the heat off, and then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of powdered turmeric, and then you're going to cover the pan and let the tea infuse for another 10 minutes before drinking. Hey guys, while that tea is infusing, I just want to ask you guys, if you're enjoying the content, consider hitting that like button, maybe go down, give it a little subscribe so you guys can also follow along with the next video coming out. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. Now, let's get back to the drink. I have my lovely wife here, and she's a good critic. She gets a little picky, so this will be a good taste test. You ready? So, this is ginger with some turmeric. All right, this is supposed to be good for fighting belly fat, has anti-inflammatory properties, and it also has been said to help fight cancer. Okay, cheers. It's not the most pleasant. What do you think? Could you drink this 3 times a day?
Yeah, I could, but I'm not really good with ginger, but it's alright, but I'm not going to be a big fan of it. Cheers. One more time.
Yeah, one more time. There you have it. It was kind of an honest opinion. It's not the greatest tasting tea in the world. However, the benefits do kind of outweigh the taste. So if you could kind of stomach it. Now, if you love ginger, you probably are going to love this. I'm not a real big ginger fan, okay, but I am a fan of what this is supposed to do. Now, this is not my recipe. This is a registered dietitian. I think her name is Tatiana, what was it? Tatiana Zanin, I believe. So I found this online, and she went into great detail on why this is a good recipe for you to try. So we went ahead and tried it, and you know what? Let us know in the comments down below what you think, and if you plan on trying it, and if you did, if you plan on trying it again. And Tumeric, I want to ask you guys a quick question. Did you notice that the lights were flickering? And she brought home goodies. Let's see what they are. What'd you get?
Ta-da!
What are they?
Chocolate.
Okay, so like I was explaining earlier in the video, these are the things that you're not supposed to be eating. Don't follow her example. She does this to me all the time. You have no idea. With a nice ginger tea that you can make right at home. Easy ingredients, really easy. Did I mention it was easy? Jesus, okay.
Hey you, I got 2 more videos for you to check out. Come on, do something. Pick one of them. You know you want to. It's good for you. Give it a try.